Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to delete Telegram account permanently. It's simple step. First of all, you just log in your account into the Telegram app. Then you can open up the menu bar. Here you can see the profile option. Press on that. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the Telegram FAQ. Press on that. Then scroll down. Go in the account section. Here you can see the account section. Alright, that's it. You can simply see option that delete your Telegram account. Press on that and you can see the blue option of deactivation page. It's a link. You can simply press on that. It will redirect to you Telegram browsing app. Just wait for a while. Here you can simply add your number into the international format. Like I want to put my number like 92959671117. All right, press on next and then you can receive a simple code. Like code is, it's too much difficult code. X it's RSH5 SH5 and QCPHFK QCPHFK. Alright, simply press on sign in and here you can see you just don't need to put any reason in why you are leaving. Simply press on delete my account and here you can simply press on yes, delete my account. Now you're able to delete your account permanently. I hope this video works for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.